Hi children, welcome back to online learning class of Sri Basa Public School. Dear students, we have completed our first poem in the previous classes. I hope you have written all about the poem in your English notebook. Today I am going to start our first lesson, that is Shake Chilli. Unit 1, lesson number 1, Shake Chilli. In this session we are going to learn about introduction of the lesson, reading first paragraph, explanation and new words. Before we start this lesson, I would like to ask a few questions. Tell me students, what kind of person are you? What kind of person are you? And what kind of person do you like? Think yourself. As a child, you are thinking that, ma'am, I am brilliant boy or brilliant girl. Somebody tells, ma'am, I am innocent girl or innocent boy. Ma'am, I am smart boy or smart girl. Is it? Yes, it's depend upon their behavior or their views. Here in this lesson, the main character is called Sheikh Chilli. He was a foolish and silly person, innocent, simple person. So, we are going to read three different stories or episodes about Sheikh Chilli. Is it? So, without further delay, shall we start? Here, our today's paragraph. First paragraph. I will read this. You listen carefully. Okay, children? So, let us start. Sheikh Chilli was a simpleton. He lived in a small village on the banks of river Panjam. His house was a favorite meeting place of all the animals and children of that village. He treated both man and animal with the same respect and kindness. Once a limping dog entered his house. Sheikh Chilli treated him in the same manner as he would treat his friend. He asked the dog to sit down, got him a bowl full of milk, and then tried to examine his injured leg. The dog felt so uncomfortable with Sheikh Chilli's hospitality that he quickly ran away. Poor Sheikh Chilli, he had only wanted to be kind and hospitable. So, this is our first paragraph. Now, let us see the list of meaning of new words. First one, simpleton. It means a foolish and silly person. Second one, examine. It means to look at. Third one, injured. It means hurt or wounded. Fourth one, hospitable. It means showing kindness and generosity toward to visitors. Fifth one, hospitality. It means guest friendship. It means entertaining the guests. And sixth one, limping. It means disability of walking. Seventh one, kindness. It means charity. Eighth one, banks of river. It means an edge of river. Ninth one, ball. It means basin. So, these are the new words of list of new words. You can take the screenshot and write it down in your English notebook, and also underline these words in your course book like this: simpleton, banks of river, kindness, limping, like this. Will you do now? Yes. Let us know the meaning of it. Here you can see the picture. He is a Sheikh Chilli. Sheikh Chilli was simpleton. It means foolish and silly person. He lived in a small village. Where was that village? That village was beside a river. That river name is Panjam. You can see the river. River name is Panjam. His house was became a favorite meeting place. To whom? Here you can see the picture. His house. Whose? Sheikh Chilli's house. This house was become a favorite meeting place for all the animals and children who were living that village. He treats both people and animals with the same manner and showing respect and kindness for them. So, here is the first incident to show his kindness and respect towards the animals. So, one day, what happened? A limping dog entered his house. It was injured. You can see the picture. It was injured. He saw that limping dog and welcomed the dog and gave a bowl full of milk. You can see the picture how he is treating the animal. And then he has given a bowl full of milk. Is it? And then he was trying to bandage his injured leg. Which leg was injured? He tried to tie bandage that injured leg. But the dog felt so uncomfortable and quickly ran away. The dog did not comfortable of Sheikh Chilli's kindness, so the dog was afraid of him and ran away. Poor Sheikh Chilli, he just wanted to be kind of that limping dog. He treating as a kind manner, but the dog was become uncomfortable. So this is the example of Sheikh Chilli's manner towards the animals and the people. Is it? So he treated the dog in the same manner as he would treat his friends, his relatives, and other village people. So this is the first episode which we have read about Sheikh Chilli in this lesson. I hope it is very clear to you all. Now, this is your homework. Today's homework. Read the lesson quietly to yourself and then read it aloud row by row. It means line by line you read aloud and then write meaning of new words in English notebook which are given in this video. You should write all meaning of new words in your English notebook. Is it clear? Okay. So if you have any queries or doubts, you can call or text me. So we will back with the new episode about Sheikh Chilli in the next session. Till then, Goodbye. Good luck, my dear students.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy.
Thank you for watching the video.